Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor Simbi, and if you're new, you're welcome, and please subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how I did this wool box braid, guys. Wool box braids. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be parting my hair, and in total I had 15 boxes. I used heat to stretch my hair. I just blow dried the hair to make it straight. Yeah, so I have a mirror in front of me and a mirror behind me so that I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to be using Isoplast gel to make sure that my parting are sharp. Yeah, I tried my best to make them sharp. Yeah. So I'm just going to go again with my rectangle comb right there and make the line sharp. So after this, right there at the first row, I had 3 boxes. So I'm just going to section those, and I'm going to be using rubber bands to separate, like to keep the section separated from the rest of the hair. So I'm using rubber bands, and after sectioning the entire head, I would then come back, and the rubber bands at the back, guys, I did regular braids, and at the top I did knotless braids. Yeah, so the first row I did the regular braids, and the rest of the head I did knotless braids. Yeah, so 3 sections right here, and then the second row I had 6 sections, like 6 boxes, and then the third row I had also 6 boxes. So I'm just going to let you watch while I part my hair, and then we'll go to the next step.
Here's where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Baby, I can't take it on my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah. Call me when you want. Baby, I can't take it on my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Baby, I can't take it on my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah. Call me when you want.
So like I said before guys, I had a total of 3 rows and 15 boxes. So I'm going to be using this wool. I used 5 of the 25 grams black wool and 2 of the 45 grams green wool. So I measured 40 inches right there, and then I'm going to cut the wool, and then we'll start the braiding process, guys. So on the black wool, guys, it was thinner than the green. So the black, I sectioned my wool like 21 pieces, and then the green I did 18 pieces. Yeah, so just cut right there, and then section your wool into 21, and then I'm going to separate the wool into 2. The first I'm going to be the smaller section is going to be 7 pieces of wool, and the bigger one is going to be 14 pieces of wool. So just apply your gel right there, and then section your hair into 2, and then I'm going to place my wool yeah, in the middle right there, and then I'm going to use my rubber band to secure the hair, and then I'm going to take the bigger piece, and then I'm going to start braiding. Like I said, right here at the back I'm doing regular braids, guys, regular braids. If you don't know how to grip and braid, you can use this method, but at the top I did the knotless method. Yeah, so this method is for those of you who don't know how to grip and braid at the same time. Yeah, so just apply your gel at the remaining of the hair, and then just take a bigger portion of your wool, place it on top, and then start braiding your wool and your hair together. Braid down until the ends, and when you reach the end, you can just tie where you want your braid to end.
Photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you.
After tying my hair, I'm going to fold the hair, and then I'm going to wrap it around going up, guys, going up. Yeah, so I'm going to wrap it around going up, and then I'm going to be using wool to secure it so that it stays in place, guys. So just wrap around like that until you reach where you stopped braiding, and then, guys, you can add the wool that you want to use to tie the ends right there when you're still braiding. I'm going to show you that soon. Yeah, so if you've not added, you can just take an extra wool, and then you can just wrap it around and tie, then cut off the excess there, guys. But to make it simpler, you can just add this whilst braiding, make it longer than the others, and then just cut off the excess wools, and then you can be remained with the one that you want to wrap around and tie. That way it will be easier. Yeah, so just cut off the excess right there, and then use your wool to wrap around to cover the wool that you like, the excess, the part where you cut off to cover that. Just wrap your wool right around right there, and then just tie and then cut the excess like that, guys. This is how I did this braid. So I'm going to show you again right here at the back. If you don't know how to feeding, you can do this method. So just section your hair in half, and then take 7 strands of wool, place it right there, and then use your rubber band to tie your hair, and then just tag your hair to make it tighter, and take the other 14 strands of wool and then place it on top, and then start braiding until you reach the ends. So at the front, like I said, we are doing the knotless method.
Keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you come.
So you can also start by doing your braids and then do the wrapping around method later on if you want, but I just braided and wrap the hair around to make it, I guess, easier. I don't know, but if you're confused like to where to stop when you're braiding, you can just braid your hair and then do the wrap around after braiding. So right here at the front, I'm going to be doing the knotless method. So I just applied my isoplast gel right there, and then I'm going to section my hair into 3 sections right there on this box. Section 3 small section right there, and then I'm going to start braiding. So I'm going to braid 1 like this, and then I'm going to braid 2 like this, and then I'm going to braid 3 like this. Then I'm going to take my wool and place it under, and then I'm going to braid again. 1, 2, and then I'm going to take my wool, place it under, and then I'm going to braid again. 1, 2, and then place the other one. 1, 2. Like I said, the green ones I did 18 strands of wool, guys, because it is a little bit thicker than the black wool. Yeah, so I'm just going to apply gel on my hair, and then I'm going to continue to braid until I reach where I want my braid to stop, and then I'm going to tie. So after tying, I'm then going to fold my braid, and then I'm going to wrap it around going up, and then I'm going to use the excess wool to wrap around the part where I cut, like to cover the part where I cut. So just tie right here and then cut off the other excess wool. Yeah, so like that, tie right there, then take your scissors and then cut this excess wool, and then fold your braid and then start wrapping the braid around going up. Yeah, so just measure with the other ones and then just fold it like that, and then start wrapping around going up. So if you're new to the channel, guys, subscribe and join the family. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support, guys. Thank you so much, and like this video and share this video, guys. It helps me a lot. Yeah, so let's continue.
Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want, baby, can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah. Call me when you want, baby, can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah, I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want, baby, can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah. Call me when you want, baby, can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah.
The piece I'm adding right here is the wool that I'm going to be using later on to tie and then wrapping around. Yeah, so you can add it right there, like after braiding like some inches, about 6 inches, then you can add the wool that you want to tie and wrap around, or you can just add when you reach the ends, guys. Yeah, so just cut right there and then fold your hair and then start wrapping around going up. Yeah, so like I said, right here at the front I did the knotless, except for one braid that is right there on the other side, the black one, I did the regular braids, but the entire braids right here on the top I did the knotless. And as you can see, the knotless, they lay flat than the regular braid. Yeah, so you can do the knotless method throughout the entire head so that your braids will be really flat. Yeah, so just tie right there and then you can cut off the excess.
Coming back. Call me when you want, baby, can take it on my heart. I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Baby, I can't take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah. Call me when you want. Baby, I can't take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah, I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Baby, I can't take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah. Call me when you want. Baby, I can't take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So guys, this is how my wool braids are looking like, guys. That one that I'm pointing, I did the regular braids, but the rest I did the knotless. Yeah guys, so let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. And if you are new to the channel, subscribe and join the family. And if you're already subscribed, but thank you so much for coming back. Thank you for your support. I love you guys. So share this video, guys, comment your thoughts, like this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Goodbye.
Keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want